Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this 4K digital trail camera, wildlife camera, and as you can see, it comes in this little box here. And let's check it out really quick and make it worth the while. And we get some, yeah, warranty cards. Throw that to the side. The manual, obviously, throw that to the side. And here is our wildlife camera. And yeah, as you can see, it has some nice texture on there to blend it in nature quite well. And then on the side and then the bottom we have some goodies. Let's see if we can get them out of there. So there's like your flash card, which is nice, 32 gigs, and then also little belts and crap to throw that on a tree or something and make it stick there. And then what else do we have? Oh, it's like a little stand where you can attach it on. So that's also an option that you can choose from. Is there more? There's more. And a cable to load everything up. So that's decent as well. Put that to the side. And what else is this here? Screwdriver. Okay, well. And then down there, there's some goodies as well as it looks like. So let's lift this up. What is that? I think it's another stand, right? Yeah, that's another stand. So yeah, that's not too exciting. So let's put that back in there. Throw that on top. Make it, yeah, so we can store it away. Just put it back and throw it to the side and have a look at the camera itself. So here it is. Let's take it out of this bag. It comes, yeah, as you can see, nicely covered, so it doesn't get damaged or anything. This is the camera itself, looking decent. Like the light brown camo that they got going, and it is, yeah, made quite well. We got a decent box. Everything is nice and secure. Everything is waterproofing while it's closed at least. And that way you can easily have it outside without worrying anything will happen to it. So that's quite nice. And on the bottom, that's where you can mount it. We have seen the stand that was included in this package, and you're just gonna open this up. Let's show that really quick for a second here as well. So this is the inside, and we got our little computer and the camera. Everything is managed over here. You can put a lot of settings up, like if you want to have it recording the whole time, or do you just want to record while something is moving and all that. So yep, go through there, check out what you want, like, and do that. On the other side, as you can see here, this is where the batteries belong. So let's see if we can get this opened with one hand. Pull that up, yep, and then you can see here our room, or is room for batteries. There's quite a bunch that have to go in here. That's something to keep in mind, but that way it actually lasts quite long. And after all, you want it to sit outside by itself and you don't want to change batteries the whole time. So that's probably why they have so many in there. And that's gonna be it, you guys.